job this week, and it's a Landrover rotten chassis. Look at this. Look at that. It says ripe as hell. Rotten right through under there. It's as crisp as a packet of crisps. Tank's half full as well. Tank needs to come out, and that's half full a day, so I'm probably going to have to drain the tank. I've already given it a blast underneath with some glass bead just to clean it up so I can get a better look at it. But yeah, she's ripe. She's ripe. So I've ordered an arse end for this odd girl. I've ordered arse end for it off eBay. I'm waiting for it to come. Apparently it's going to come on Wednesday. It was supposed to be here on Friday, but apparently now it's Wednesday. So I'm going to get cracked on. I'm going to get this arse end ripped out, take that tank out, get this bit of chassis chopped out, tow bar off and everything first and that. And then we'll wait for this chassis to come and we'll get this chassis welded in.